Hello friends, today we are drawing a mango. So mango color is deep yellow. So our mango color is ready. Now is a leaf color is green color. Okay, let's next. Our stem color of mango is a dark brown. Then the plate stem and the split first color is light blue. And the middle color is light purple. So let's get paint. Oh, nice. The last light layer of color is the two of the black color. Okay, awesome. Then the bird is the color is the black. Such a nice wood. Then the last of the next step is the background sky blue color is the light velvet color. So today we are drawing a mango on plate. Thank you.